this demonstration, we're going to cover the client login extension. And what we've done here is we've actually downloaded the zip file already. So now what we need to do is simply extract this. And we'll put it in this directory. We can now go to that directory, and the first thing we're going to want to do is run this configuration extension configuration utility. So when we launch this, it wants to go to a path to the installer to configure this. So what we need to do is click on the folder to search. We can now double click on x64. That's the machine type that we have in this demonstration, and we'll open the default file. Now what this is doing here is it's now asking us for the link URL to the forgotten password and any text we might want to put in. So what we recommend is make sure that you have that URL handy. So in this case, if I go to the URL, I can simply copy this. And now paste. So I have that information. For the link text, this will be shown on the credential provider. So here I'll just add in, forgotten my network password. Right? Now the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to enable the SSPR to be able to be used. So again, we'll simply put in our URL. And if you notice here within the help, it wants to go to the public REST. So what I'll do is simply take the URL that I already copied, put that in. Next, we're going to want to enable here the change password through SSPR. So when a user clicks on Control-Alt-Delete, they're actually going to go through SSPR and not the domain password. So we'll go ahead and we'll enable that. And next, what we're going to want to do is, since we're going to be using advanced authentication as well, we want to go to our advanced settings, go to security settings, and we're going to allow URL redirection. And what we're going to do is click on configure and add in our advanced authentication website. Okay, now we can go ahead and click add and then close. Click OK. Now we have all the changes here that we want that are configured in this MSI. So I can now click on configure installer. You'll see that now this has been modified. So if I click OK, I can click exit. And if we go to the installer directory under x64, you'll see this does have our current date and timestamp on there. So this is the MSI that we would then push out to other workstations. So thank you for your time. Hopefully this was helpful to use the client login extension configuration editor tool. Thank you.